In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sensitive content on Threads. Before we dive into the settings, it's important to understand what this actually means. Threads sometimes hides or limits posts that it flags as sensitive, which can include things like strong language or potentially disturbing images. By changing this setting, you're choosing to see more of that content in your feed. You can always come back and change it again later if you're not comfortable. Let's start from your main Threads home dashboard or feed. Open the Threads app or website and make sure you're on the home screen where you normally scroll through posts. This is your starting point. If you're not seeing your usual feed, just tap the home icon at the bottom of the app or in the main menu on desktop until you're back on that main page. From here, look toward the bottom left side of the screen for the option labeled More. It might appear as a word or an icon with a label next to it, depending on your device. Go ahead and click or tap on More. This opens a side menu that gives you access to additional features and settings that are not visible directly on the home feed. In that menu, find and select Settings. This is where all your account, privacy, and content controls live. If you have multiple options in this menu, take a moment to read through them and make sure you're tapping exactly on Settings, not Notifications or Help or anything else. Once the Settings page opens, look for a section called Content Preferences. This area lets you control what kind of content you see and how it's filtered in your feed and recommendations. Click on Content Preferences to move into those controls. Inside Content Preferences, you should see an option specifically labeled Sensitive Content. This is the key setting we're looking for. Tap on Sensitive Content to open the detailed controls for what Threads will allow in your feed. On this screen, you'll see options that explain how much sensitive content you want to allow. To expand the options fully, click on More. This will usually show you an explanation of what changing this setting does, and may highlight that you're choosing to see posts that could be upsetting to some viewers. After you've reviewed the information and chosen the level you prefer, confirm your choice by clicking on Confirm. Once you do that, your settings are updated and you should start seeing more sensitive content in your Threads experience based on what you selected.